Hi, this is Chef Eric Teo, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a fried Hong Kong noodle using cooked ramen. I'm using the Kang Kang Ramen, which is the first ever cooked ramen made in Singapore. Well, this is a family pack and it's good for 3 to 4. It weighs about 420 grams. This is a pasteurized fresh ramen. Now, there's no coloring, lower in sodium, and also higher in protein than any other oriental noodle. There's no preservatives, also no trans fat, halal, and vegan. Alright, so here are the ingredients. We have spring onion, bean sprout, fresh tiger prawns, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese wine, sugar, salt, sesame oil, of course, our fresh cooked ramen. Okay, just look at the ramen. Springy, bouncy, and it's like very good texture. Just loosen up the noodle gently, do not break it. So later when you fry, it's easier. Put a little bit of oil. First, we're going to fry the tiger prawns. Now these tiger prawns are actually peeled and cut into half. So it's done. We're going to transfer it into a tray or a plate. Now this ramen, you don't have to wash it. So once you open it from the back, you can use it straight away. Just like this, fry it very quickly. Okay, because it's already cooked, so we're going to add soy sauce, a bit of sugar, a bit of salt, dark soya. You can see how easy it is to prepare this fried Hong Kong noodle using this cooked ramen from Kang Kang. We're going to add the bean sprout, spring onion. Now we're going to add onion wine and a little bit of the sesame oil. And the prawns. And we are done. We're going to try this noodle now. The texture is so good. Bouncy, springy, and very light. I love it. I hope you like this recipe using Kang Kang cooked ramen. Try it out with your family and friends.